friends, I am going to tell you some tips which I forgot to tell in the above video of baking cakes. Number 1 tip is you have to add half a tablespoon of sugar powder into the coffee cake and mix it with the other ingredients which I have mentioned in the video. Please watch it. At last, before baking the cake, you should taste the batter perfectly. If it is sweetless or it does not have any flavor of sweet or vanilla essence, you can surely add sugar powder, vanilla essence and anything else if you want. Second point, in chocolate cake, if you want to add cocoa powder instead of chocolate chips, you should add 3 tablespoons of flour plus 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Don't use 4 tablespoons of flour and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, as cocoa powder is made up of flour. Okay. Third point is, in the vanilla cake, I said you can add vanilla essence, more vanilla essence as you want. Okay. Number 4th point, my microwave is of 900, so it takes I think 1 minute 30 seconds. First, when you bake the cake, give it at 1 minute 30 seconds. First, when you give the cake, you give it at 1 minute. If it does not happen, you put a toothpick, you see that cake's particles are coming out, then give it for another minute. You will see that time it's fully completed, or the baking is fully completed. Okay, so please watch the video now. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will tell you how to make cupcakes. You can make it in bowls like this or in your mug, cup, anything. So today I am making 3 types of cupcakes. This one is coffee, this one vanilla and this one chocolate. You can see empty bowls. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the first ingredient is flour. This is my flour. So what we need in every bowl, 4 tablespoons per bowl. Using coffee, 4 tablespoons of flour, vanilla 4 tablespoons and chocolate 4 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is my flour in my coffee. So I do it in rest of my... So my flour pot is done in every bowl, 4 tablespoons. Now the next is sugar powder. We will only give sugar powder to the vanilla and chocolate bowls, not in the coffee bowls. Okay, so 1 tablespoon of sugar powder. So here I open it. Oh, we also need a fork to mix them. We will not use a spoon. So here's 1 and here's another spoon. That's done. Now the next ingredient is baking powder. This is same in every bowl. Only 1/16 tablespoon. I showed the measurement in my last video, which was fresh lime soda. Again I show you the measurement of 1/16 tablespoon. So here I go. This is the measurement. This is the measurement, 1/16. So I am going to put it in every of my molds. It's done. Now I am going to put 1 pinch of salt in every of the glasses. Salt adds taste into our cakes. So this is also done. My next ingredient in the chocolate bowl is half a tablespoon of cocoa powder. I am using Hershey cocoa powder. It's a little bit unsweetened, so I am using only half a tablespoon. So here I go. Yes, it's done. So all the dry ingredients are completed, and now we will take 3 forks. One this for this, one for this and for this. Now we will give it a good mix, so that every dry ingredients mixes with each other properly. So we will continue the process. So my dry mixing are done. So I show you how they look right now. So this is the condition right now. You can see this is not really red. This is not made yet. It is not completed. Now we will add the wet ingredients. So first we need to add 1 tablespoon of oil. I am using vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon in every case. in every of the glass or more, anything you are using. So this is my 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon and 1 tablespoon. We will not mix it now at last. I am going to wash my spoon because we can't take measurements with an oily spoon, right? So I am washing it. My next ingredient in every bowl is 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. 1 tablespoon of condensed milk per cake. See, I am using Nestle Milk Made condensed milk. So 1 tablespoon. Wow! Condensed milk looks so creamy. Wow, 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 wow. It's very creamy. We will pour it in all the glasses now. My next ingredient is vinegar. I will put 2 drops only in each of the cakes or the molds, anything you call. So only 2 drops, no more. Okay, so I am putting it now. My next ingredient is dalgona cream, which will add in this coffee mold. So I have made the dalgona cream. You can see this is my dalgona cream. I have made it with coffee, sugar particles and a little bit of water. Before doing, I am going to stir it a little bit. See, like this. And half a tablespoon of dalgona cream. Wow. Wow, wow, what a cream, see. Oof, excellent cream. Now my next ingredient is milk. Here it is the milk. Now I am going to pour, first I am going to pour 1 tablespoon of milk in every mold. First only 1 tablespoon. I have also added some vanilla extract. Now first we will see that how the milk curdles our mixture. So I am beating it properly. I have to beat every mold batters properly. So friends, you can see the mixtures are fully curdled. This is the coffee, vanilla and chocolate. Okay. So now what we have to do is add more milk. You can use as much as milk you want, but you have to add it gradually. Add milk gradually until the batter is fully smooth. Okay. Now you can see my batter. I have added much more milk. So see, it's very smooth. This is the coffee mixer. See, it's very smooth. You have to beat it continuously for 2 minutes when you feel the batter is being smoothed. I have also done these 2 molds. I'll show you the thing. See, coffee. Batter is perfect and smooth. This is the vanilla. Batter is fully perfect. This one is chocolate. I've added some chocolate chips inside it so as to make it more creamier. So now I'm going to microwave all of it. Everything is done. I'm just shaking it, beat, shake, tap. So I'm now going to microwave it for 1 minute. Here are my molds. They are inside the microwave now. I will microwave it for 1 minute. So here micro button. Set it to 1 minute and start. You can see they are rotating. Just wait until the cake becomes ready. See, our vanilla cake baked completely. Chocolate baked completely. And coffee also baked completely. So if you like my video, like it, subscribe it, press the bell icon, comment, share and do everything. Thank you.